In this video, let's talk about how to use Glassdoor company ratings. The ratings that you see on each of the companies will be straight away visible on the companies tab. But by looking at this alone is not a way to choose a company. Select the company that you're trying to see the ratings of. Once you're inside of the company's profile, you do still have the rating right here, which is visible. But apart from this, you'll need to look at other details. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see a section which says show more insights. This is a detailed insight that can be visible not just for the overall rating, but for the individual aspects such as culture and values, diversity, work-life balance, and many more. So you can take a look at each of these examples. If you just see a line in this, it just means in line with the average of the industry that this company is in. If you see an arrow that is upward, that means it is above average. And if you see an arrow that is downwards, it means that is below average. So by looking at individual options or individual categories, you can get a better view of the exact ratings. Now, apart from this, you can also head over to different tabs on the top, as you can see. If you're looking for better benefits, you can switch over to the benefits tab and check out all of the benefits this company provides. It will also give you a rating on the top on the individual tabs as well. So by switching over to different tabs and what you prioritize more, you can take a look at individual reviews as well as ratings to make your decision on applying for a company. So that is the exact way that you use the Glassdoor company ratings. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to hit that notification bell if you are interested in more future videos.